Yesterday, yes. So yesterday we discussed about how to run campaign on Google Ads. So it's not that too difficult, right? And we saw that how to start campaign, how to set our targetings. Although we just saw the one part that is on Google search. On the other hand, we have video campaign, we have display campaign, we have mobile campaign, we have local ads. So there are many parts of Google Ads, right? Also, we how to run campaigns for mobile for installation and engagement. There are too many things, right? So definitely we cannot cover everything in this session, right? So that part is on you. Just try to get into every part of Google Ads and try to understand. And if you have any question, then you can share with me. Okay. If you remember yesterday, we discussed about campaign, then ad group based on different similar keywords, right? Whenever we use keyword in the campaign, now Google try to understand and decipher it into various meanings, okay, with their synonyms. All right. So Google try to understand every word separately. So if we put any keyword normally, like in on the screen, you could say, uh, if we put any keyword normally means without any apostrophes, without any uh, square bracket, right? No one does, right? We directly search on Google without any further modification on our queries, right? So that kind of keywords are called broad keywords, right? You can see the example broad, a normal word like car accessory suppliers in Delhi. Such kind of keyword is being understood by Google with their synonyms, with their different combinations as well, right? So if you could search on Google, then you could see there are many irrelevant results also comes after 2 3 pages. Okay. Similarly, if we'll put such kind of keyword in our Google Ads, then Google may show advertisement on various combinations which we also do not want to show on. Okay. So for that, we need phrase match. Now, if I want to show advertisement only on the phrase car accessory supplier in Delhi, no other words, then I have to put with a square bracket. That is called exact match, right? There could be many other combinations of this word as well, like car accessory supplier in Delhi, car repair parts supplier in Delhi, right? But if you are looking only for this combination, then you can use apostrophes, right? Phrase match. So if by with the name we can understand phrase. So Google try to find out the same phrase. So these are the three combinations, three ways of putting keywords, guiding Google to target my advertisement on these three bases. Okay. Their meanings are also different. So as I said, if you will put without any apostrophes and square bracket, then Google try to decipher every word with their synonyms like and other meaningful words. For sometimes it combines with spelling mistakes like formal shoes. Whenever we'll search, Google may understand formal footwear, synonym of shoes, evening footwear, men's dress wingtips. Now Google has open mind for this word, right? Its algorithm try to find every possible combination or match for this keyword, and it will show our advertisement on all such kind of searches. Now you can understand, somebody is searching formal shoes, but it is showing men's dress wingtips. That is not at all relevant. Okay, then somebody will click, if they will click on your advertisement, it's a, yeah, budget loss. Okay, in between you can see modified broad, plus sign is there. So these two types are stopped by Google, so we are not going to discuss about it. Phrase search means if any other phrase or word is coming with your keyword. So your keyword is formal shoes, you have kept inside apostrophes, so it will be taken as is. Any word in combination with these phrases will be taken like black formal shoes for men. So any word which may come in the front or letter of this phrase will be considered as keyword, and Google will show your advertisement. And the exact phrase, exact match only show when exact keyword will be searched, right? So it is a method to filter out your targeting. Okay, it will save your budget and it will show only to the prospect customers. Okay, advertisement writing we did not discuss yesterday. Now this advertisement writing is for every platform, right? Try to understand it. If you are about to write advertisement, then use this method called AIDA, AIDA. Your content, your advertisement should must include these four elements. First is awareness. That means related to the searched keyword or the same keyword, your advertisement should also have. Okay. Interest. Your advertisement should have any unique selling proposition of your product or service. Any specific special feature, salient feature, which may not be available in your competitors, or any common features, right? It will generate interest in user's mind. Okay, now once user is interested, that is not enough. You have to give them some desired thing, any discount or any offer or any freebies or any valuable offer or valuable services which is not provided by any other platform. Okay, and without call to action like call now, register now, subscribe now, talk to our counselor now, these are call to actions, right? You cannot complete your advertisement. Okay, so your ad should be unique, it should have a clear call to action, what to do, right? It should be relevant to your landing page like we discussed yesterday. Your keyword, your ad and landing page should match with each other, and compelling content in landing page to convert, right? So let us take example. So for example, your set of keywords are office furniture. You are selling office furniture, right? And these are the four keywords, right? Now your advertisement should be like affordable office furniture. Now your keyword is office furniture. So first line of your advertisement should consist the same keyword, office furniture. Like yesterday, you must remember while writing advertisement, there was a keyword, and as soon as I included in the advertisement, it started showing more average points, right? It started showing in green. Then USP. USP is latest design available. Although this ad copy is so old, so you can include latest design available 2022. Okay, that is USP, something which is unique in our store. And third thing is you are creating desire. So how you can create desire? Complete range of office furniture is available under your budget, right? This is something which may or may not be provided by any other seller, but this line is something may interest people, right? May generate interest in people. And fourth is visit now is the call to action. And later you can add further example information, what kind of chairs you have, right? Designs and all extra information. Fine. Okay, we discussed about it. We saw. Okay, fine. So what we just discussed, that is for every platform, not only for Google Ads. Even if you will create advertisement on social media, on LinkedIn, on Twitter, on YouTube, that IDA concept gonna help you out. Okay. Now let us see social media advertisement, how to put our advertisement on it. First, now social media advertisement works like display advertisement, video advertisement on Google Ads, right? Here keywords doesn't work. So on what basis it works? On interest basis, on targeting basis. Okay. So if my interest is I am fond of car, right? So definitely I would have, followed many car pages. I would have followed or browsed many cars related information in my past 30 days, 6 months, because I'm a car lover, right? Then any car company, whenever they will run advertisement, they will definitely include cars, right? And people who are interested in cars. I gonna see their advertisement for sure, right? So people have two types of interest. One is long-term interest, and second is okay, short-term interest. Long-term interest, and we call it hobbies. And short-term interest, we call it market intention. Yeah, or else buying intention. Fine. I'm a car lover, but I need a laptop, right? So I might search about laptop just 2 3 weeks before purchasing, right? I will not search about laptop for every month, every week, right? So this will be my short-term interest and it will be my long-term interest, my hobby. So whenever we gonna target people, we have to understand about these two things, right? And accordingly, we have to set a targeting. Cool. So first, demographics, geography, interest. Second, you can expand your beyond your followers. Obviously, that is why we are running advertisement. And you have to keep mobile in your mind, like how they gonna see your advertisement on mobile. Why? Because 99%, 98% and more plus, the traffic is coming from mobile only. Okay. Try different formats. Now, different, by saying different formats means uh, there are different sizes, dimensions, different types of content, right? And what are these? Ad sizes. Dimension we are talking about. So there is one size called 1080 by 1080. And you have to change it as well. 1200 and 629 pixel. These are in pixels, right? Landscape, square, there are many. And one is story dimension. That is somewhere around 192010 multiplied by 1080. Right. So these are the different formats of on the basis of format sizes, dimensions, and content types could be text ads. Okay, on social media there is no only text ads. You have to include with image or video, right? So these are the different ad formats, and you can also uh, you could have seen, right, carousel ads, carousel ads, carousel. I typing wrong, but let's take an example over here. Yes, carousel ads, and it looks like this, right? You could have seen and scrolled with your thumb as well. Okay, multiple. Fine. And yes, it includes analytics. Definitely, without analytics you cannot measure your success, you cannot compare, you cannot analyze. Okay, so this is how it looks. So as soon as you enter into Facebook's ad manager, now inside Facebook's ad manager you can only enter when you will have any page with you, right? Although you can also enter without having any page, but you cannot run ads, right? Because with by the nature of Facebook or any social media, personal profile is yours and company is, or any type of company which you will promote, that includes page, right? So until unless you have any page, you cannot promote anything. So first you will have to create a page, and creating a page is not a big deal now. You can directly go and create a page from your profile. Once you get into Facebook ad manager, you will see all these type of campaigns, right? And campaigns means that goal. So you can choose with website visit, you can choose with page and post engagement, app installation, event registration, conversion based, traffic based, what exactly you are looking for, that campaign type is available on the Facebook ad manager campaign section, right? Second stage, again, like on Google Ads, you must have seen the hierarchy, right? We discussed yesterday. The first step is campaign, second step is ad group, third step is keyword, and fourth step is ad. Now here we have first step campaign, second step ad group, and third step advertisement, because there is no keyword. Okay. Twitter ads, this with the Twitter ad you can leverage promoting your tweet, you can promote your website, you can generate leads, you can promote your accounts, and based on the trends as well. LinkedIn ads, you can promote your content and send some emails to the people with you are not in the connection, and the text advertisements. Okay, let me show you some practical aspect of Facebook ads. So this is Facebook ad manager. Okay, let me, yes. So from this account, I have ran something 34,000 ad campaign till date. I had reached, yes, around 9 lakh people, and I got impression of about 12 lakh, right? So I ran campaign for car company or for many type of, but from this account, there is a limited, right? Overall, yes, there are some other accounts as well. From there, I could have ran around 20 to 30 lakh campaign till date. Not much, but yes. Okay, so here we can create any campaign. Let me show you. First, you have to create in the campaign tab. Click on create button. Choose your goal, what exactly you are looking for. But as I said yesterday, uh, people would love to, got targeted when they know, right? Now, into 2022, people understand how advertisement works, how to buy, from whom to buy, right? If they are watching your advertisement for the first time, they may not, or definitely they won't buy anything. So first, we have to reach out to them, so make people aware, and then once you have reached somewhere 2 to 3 lakh people, then try to engage them, show them some videos, right? Then generate leads by showing video ads and attach some forms. You must have seen, as soon as you click on Facebook ads, it asks your mobile number, email ID therein, right? It won't say it. You don't go to their website. You directly fill your information there on the Facebook only. So that is lead generation. And once you have reached around 20 lakh people, a better engagement of people, then try to start conversion. This is the,
Sir, Narendra sir,
yep.
can you please uh, redo this one, that particular this
Okay,
campaigns, no? Uh,
okay. So from creating, or
yeah,
how to reach into this ad manager.
yeah. No, that Facebook.com ad manager, that will come default. Uh, in that, this page will come that create. We have to say create. Is it like that?
Yes.
And get into campaign.
Yes. So okay. Uh, as soon as you click on create button, you will see these 3 stages.
Mm-hmm.
So you can directly start conversion campaign. There is no compulsion, right? That
Other two
you could,
stages.
right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So you can start from conversion directly, but
Mm-hmm.
how I was explaining how human mind or their buying behavior works, right? So if you have a very good budget, till you reach 4 to 5 lakh, you can you can run your conversion campaign only. But if you want to slowly and steadily, you would like to reach to the targeted people, then you should start with reach campaign or a brand awareness campaign. The differences in brand awareness, Facebook has no responsibility to tell you that how many people have really seen your advertisement. This
Uh-huh.
is just showing advertisement one
It's a
time.
broadcast. That's all. It will not count who has come.
Yes. Who has
Mhm,
seen your advertisement at all?
mhm, mhm.
Reaches, yes, people have seen it.
Okay, they'll account it. Yeah.
Yes, right.
Mhm,
Once they have seen one or two times or three times,
mhm,
then you can start consideration based campaigns. At
mhm.
least they will engage with your advertisement. They will click on it. They will see your advertisement. They will install your application, right? At least they have some trust on you. And then you can start conversion based campaigns. You can ask them to visit your store. You can sell your catalogs, like how many products you have. If you
Okay.
have e-commerce website,
Mhm, mhm,
then only you can run catalog sales based campaign. And conversion based is Facebook makes sure that
mhm,
people are filling the form, visiting your website. There is a tracking system works behind this type of campaign, right? So you have to install that tracking thing as well. Okay.
mhm. For each portfolio, there is a charges, no?
Yes, for everything there is a
Mhm,
charges.
mhm,
There is
mhm.
no free lunch.
So better to do the reach and then the lead generation
Yes,
and then the conversions like that. Mhm.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So okay, let's go for reach. Click on continue. Now see here, there is three level. First is campaign, second is ad set. Facebook it calls ad set. In ad Google we were having ad group. Okay, and third level is advertisement. Right here you can give a name, any XYZ website. Come down. You can although change from here as well. Click on campaign budget optimization, so that whatever amount you are setting it here for entire day, that will be equally distributed to all the ad groups.
So this can
If
be
you,
predefined to number of days here.
yes, yes, you can
Mhm,
set
mhm,
lifetime budget as well, but
mhm.
suggested is choose daily budget,
Correct, correct.
right? If you don't select this,
Mhm.
then it will be like you can set a separate budget for every ad set. Okay, let me show you. Click on next. Now you are at the ad set level. You have to provide the targetings. Okay, whom you would like to target. So at least you have to spend 77 rupees 30 paisa. I am putting it here 400 rupees per day. Let us take example. Now see, as soon as I filled a optimum number, Facebook started showing something information like this, how many people it will reach to. Okay, we can set a starting budget as well, end date, a starting date and end date. Now this is very important section. From here you can select whom to target, the location, the age, gender. Gender is after this. Okay, so for example, I would like to reach out to people who are related to agriculture, let's say. Okay, so now who are interested people in agriculture? Definitely not 21 years of age. 24 is good. Okay, and people who are well aware and see advertisement related to agriculture on social media is 55. Means many people are working in organic agriculture as well. Now gender is okay. We are setting all men and women. Now this section you have to explore, right? Detailed targeting. So we are targeting people who are in organic agriculturing, agriculture, organic farming. Yes, right. So
Yeah.
as soon as you put any info over here, it has started showing less number of reach. Why? Because Facebook plus Instagram, they have very limited information, first of all, but it is showing, yes, estimated audience size is this, but out of it, based on your budget, you could only reach to 34,000 to 99,000 people. As soon
This is
as
for
you
what period it is showing? Is there is any stipulated time?
daily,
No, no, no.
it's a
See,
daily.
you have set starting date and no, the
No,
end
no,
date also, no?
no. Starting date is for campaign.
Mm-hmm.
It will start from today 8:30 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
But this reach is for daily reach, right? Because
Oh,
we are
this
spending 400 rupees daily
per day.
per
So
day.
this is the total reach out of the prospects they have.
Yes. So we have set, again, I am showing you, we have set entire India
Yeah, that's right.
between 24 to 55 age, both men and women, and people who are interested in organic farming.
So now we are only targeting organic farming people.
Yes.
Mhm.
Okay.
No, no.
As
Oh,
Mhm.
one second, sir. So what is the product we are trying to pitch here?
That will be explained in the third stage.
Mhm. No,
Okay.
what does it mean like organic farming? Why are you taking that name?
Okay. Uh, See, there are many products comes into organic farming, right? Either
Mhm.
you are pitching to the farmers or either you are pitching to the people who love to buy organic products.
So that is the interest. Okay.
Yes, that is the interest. Okay. In the third stage, we will explain, okay, if I am the seller who sell organic products, then I'll explain in the third stage. Okay. And which Facebook page you have, from here you can select. Okay. Similarly, if let's take your example only. Well, any of the page, if we'll have based on that, we can select of it. And let's take example of solar, right? Because we are selling solar panels. The solar install, solar consultant, solar power energy panel, right? So people who are looking or interested in solar panel, fine. All over India between
It's
this age
24.
is this,
Mhm.
right? As soon as I increase this budget to 8,800,
No,
yes,
the
it
numbers
increased.
increased.
It increased, right? So the amount you are investing, that is proportional to the reach expected, right? Okay. Where to show your advertisements? So automatically means Facebook will decide on Facebook, on Instagram, and there are many placements. But which are those placements? See Messenger, include Messenger as well. If you, yes, if you
No,
go
why
to,
these options, sir? Can you please tell me this? Facebook, Instagram, Messenger. Is it the same company maintained by Facebook people?
yes, yes,
Okay. The audience network also. Okay.
yes. These are
So
the
we
different,
can host this in all the four one shot
yes,
if I
yes,
opt for it. Okay.
yes. And these are the different, formats of advert content we are consuming every day, right? In history means inside video, right? Somebody else's video related to the content. People who are interested in solar panel,
Yeah.
they will watch any video, our advertisement will come there as well. Okay, so there are many sections. So we can remove as well because of more concentrated targeting. We only like to target Facebook and Instagram audience, nothing else. Okay. put
Yeah.
next. Now this is the third section where you are uploading your odd advertisement. So again, yes, we selected Instagram. That's why it is showing Instagram account as well. So make sure you are selecting the correct Instagram account if you will have a multiple account access, right? So Verifix is basically a US based plumbing software seller, service seller. So okay, so once you select the page, Facebook page and Instagram page, then here you have to upload your advertisement. Either you are creating advertisement right here only, or you can select any existing post you have made on your page. Okay. So these are the posts we have posted on these earlier dates, the and Instagram as well, because both the platforms are connected. Or else you can select creating a new ad. Okay. Okay, as of now I'm selecting existing post. See, advertisement is created, and I can include any call to action as well, like order now, and I can put a website URL as well. Learn more. Yes. So here you can see different designs or ad previews according to the Facebook patterns. Feed, how your advertisement will be visible on feed, how it will look like on stories and reels. You can check. That's it. This is the tracking. Okay, so you can set up a tracking only when you have a website. Okay, otherwise deselect this and click on publish. That's it. This is the three-stage uh, setup, and similarly you can set up your advertisement on any platform. The most important section is detailed targeting, right? If you have selected the right targeting, then only it will reach to the right person or right
Yeah.
people. That's it. Otherwise it's very simple. And same path, same method you will see in any platform you will take, like LinkedIn, Twitter, any in the world, right? Okay, so I created this advertisement. Let me pause it. Otherwise, as soon as I'll put money, it will start running. That is not good. Okay, so this is ad manager of Facebook. Okay, now display advertisement, as I said yesterday, the video and banner advertisements, that is called display ads. I've already explained. Yes, you can run text ads, images ad, video ads, and mobile ads on display. It is as similar as billboards, hoardings in a real world. Okay, so it works on the targeting basis only. Like you want to run advertisement based on chocolate cake, so your automatically Google will show advertisement on those pages where chocolate related content is published. So automatically on YouTube as well, wherever you will see chocolate related recipes, there your advertisement will be shown. But you have to target YouTube only for showing ads on YouTube. And these are different targeting options which we discussed: location, device, language, placement, interest, specific day and time. Like this, you will have different types of advertisement. Can you spot advertisement in the left side picture where you are seeing the advertisement?
Yeah. Hello.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So are you able to spot any advertisement in the left side picture?
The unscanned speeding car hits two children. That is the thing. Left side.
No, this is not advertisement. This is the regular content on Times of India's website.
2% instant discount. It's a banner ad.
Where?
The right side. 2%
Said
instant discount.
2% instant discount.
No,
All
that
credit
is
and debit
okay.
cards.
That is okay. I'm not saying about this. In the left side picture, can you
Okay.
spot advertisement?
Oh, okay.
The create offers on SE gateways. That's the one.
Yes, yes. These all this which you can see in the right side. Okay,
Yeah.
the top
In
two.
middle.
These are
Yeah.
advertisement. Britain's Daily Mail eyeing Yahoo bid and Sony cuts US prices. These are not advertisement. These are regular
Information.
content, right?
Content.
And these are the two advertisements because it is mentioned over here. Ad by Life Hacker, ad by Tourism Australia. So this is also possible with the ad marketing, content marketing. You can show your advertisement in such a way that people will find it out like a normal content, and they will click on it, they will consume content like a regular content. Okay. And yes, right side you can see a roadblock advertisement. Well, for such type of advertisement, you have to directly contact the Times of India. Okay. But for this type of advertisement, we can run advertisement using Google Ads or any third-party software. Okay, so these are just strategies basically based on your branding and lead or sales. You plan according to your objective. Second, you breaks the budget based on your audiences and then evaluate which platform is giving you good results, and then you test the results. Always make sure that you are testing it before running your main campaign. Okay, so you have a budget like say 10,000. So first run a campaign worth of 800 or 1000 rupees. Then you will understand, okay, from where you are getting traffic or any traction or what. Then only spend. This is the common practice. And this is the conversion tracking method. People will see your advertisement, fill your form on your website, and they will reach on thank you page. So system, the conversion tracking system works like this. As soon as you reach on the thank you page, then system will understand that okay, there is a conversion happening. for mobile ads. There are everything is tiny, right? So earlier we created a campaign for bigger pages, for landing pages. Now we have to consider the short part, small part. Okay, based on the content we consumed, please answer the questions.
CPC, cost per click. Hello, sir.
Anji.
Yeah.
If you bid higher than your competitor for a keyword, your advertisement will always be on top slot in the search engine. Is it true or false?
True, sir.
No, it's false.
Pay higher. Okay. Keywords should be famous are used widely.
Yes, and also the relevancy,
Relevancy.
right? Yes,
Yeah.
relevancy should be there.
In that case, it will click. Yeah.
Cost, pay per click, length, relevance.
Which of the following is not one of the important
Okay.
factor to consider for your
Consider.
keyword and PPC? So
The
cost,
length.
competition, and relevance.
What is PPC, sir? I couldn't
Pay
notice.
per click,
Pay per
the
click.
paid marketing,
Sir, come again.
Pay per click.
Pay per click. Okay. Length.
Yes. Oops, it has already answered. Okay, so okay, last question, I believe.
To higher conversions.
Can lead high conversation or give more creative option.
One of the key advantage of display ads over search ads, it has creative options, because
Okay.
in display ads, you have images and videos,
To attract.
right? Okay, so that's it for now. Content marketing we will discuss tomorrow, and we will complete some final parts of the entire course tomorrow itself. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
now we
Okay.
discussed till date SEO, social media, advertisements. So try to do that. If you
Yeah.
will perform
Sure,
the
sure.
practicals, then you will have lot of questions. Then that will be beneficial for you.
Okay.
Okay, let's meet tomorrow
Okay.
at the same
Okay.
time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.